So welcome to another Maths with Paddy video where we state a theorem or a nice idea in maths, and we do an example and we always try to get it done in under 5 minutes. Okay, so here we are going to deal with limits, okay, involving radicals. Limits of radicals. This is what we're going to look at today. And radical is like, cube root of something, square root of something. So in generalizing, it's the nth root. Okay, so the theorem we're going to state is that the limit, okay, of our radical, which is an nth root of f of x, okay, this will be equal to the nth root. We bring the limit function. We bring the limit function inside the nth root. So this will equal the nth root of the limit of f of x. So that's our theorem. Okay. So the example that we're going to do is we are going to get the limit as x tends to infinity of this quotient function inside a cube root. So it's the cube root of 3x plus 5 all over 6x minus 5. Okay, so applying the theorem, we can take the cube root of the limit. The limit function can come inside the cube root, and we're getting the limit then of the quotient function, 3x plus 5, okay, all over 6x minus 5, okay? So when we're dealing with limits that tend to infinity, one of the tricks is that we can divide above and below by x, okay? So let's do that. So this will be equal to the cube root of the limit as x tends to infinity. So dividing above and below by x on top then becomes 3 plus 5 over x. Okay, and what's on the bottom then becomes 6 minus. So I'll try and delete that little bit there. Second. Oops. About that. There we go. So 6 minus 5 over x. Okay, so we can continue. So this will be equal to the cube root. So then we have the limit of this quotient function. So this can be evaluated. You just get the limit of the top function and you get the limit of the bottom function. Okay, so just doing this bit by bit, we will get the limit as x approaches infinity of 3, getting the limit of what's on top, and the limit function will distribute over the elements that are on top. So we can also get the limit as x approaches infinity of 5 over x. Okay, and this is all over the limit as x tends to infinity of 6 plus the limit as x tends to infinity of 5 over x. Sorry, this should be minus. Okay, so then we just get evaluate these limits, and then we'll get the cube root. The limit of 3 is just 3. And the limit of 5 over x as x tends to infinity is going to be just going to be 0. We've seen that before in another video. So the limit of 6 is just 6. And then the limit of 5 over x as x tends to infinity is just 0. So that's minus 0. Sorry. So this is equal to the cube root of 3 over 6. And that is equal to the cube root of half. Okay. So this is the basic idea of dealing with radicals, getting the limits of radicals. Okay, so thanks very much. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.